In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. But to make them visible, you can always click on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here. Now to add any other one from those settings, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website, or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!